Hello everybody, and welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Paul from Jap Auto Agent, and today we've got an interesting vehicle. This is a facelift, latest version, latest model of the Suzuki Carry truck, but mainly it's the front end of the vehicle that's been, you might say, redesigned slightly. This vehicle is a 660cc Japanese K truck. Ideal for somebody who wants a commercial vehicle for, I don't know, landscape gardening, farmers, people like this, because this vehicle will go anywhere. Two and four wheel drive, high and low ratio, and yet it will do up to around 60 miles an hour maximum on the roads, which is fast enough, I think, for a thing like this. As you can see, it's as brand new. It's only done 4 kilometers from the factory gate. 4 kilometers. It's registered in Japan in 2026. It's they can't sell an unregistered car in Japan, not allowed. So this vehicle is, to all intents and purposes, it's as brand new from the factory. So it's as I said, it's 2 and 4 wheel drive. It's got the rain visors, as you can see there. It's not the monsoon visors, I should call them. Stop the rain coming in when you open the windows. Now I provide the opportunity for my customers to buy these cars direct from Japan at the trade export price, the same price I would pay if I bought it myself. And over that I charge a commission because I work as an appointed agent. I have an agency appointment form you can find on my website, from where you can start the order process. So you start by appointing me as your agent, and I'm working for a fixed commission, and working this way I can supply this car at the trade export stroke import price. There's a large saving. This vehicle in the UK would be somewhere in the region of £17,500 to £18,000 new. So as you can see from the price advertised, there's a massive saving on the UK retail price. But it's not a fast process. Sadly, there's a lot of problems in the world in 2026 around the Middle East, and so the ships are currently sailing around South Africa to get to Western Europe and the UK. So it's taking 2 months to ship the vehicles in at the present time, and then you've got some time to spend while we get it through an IVA test and then register the car in the UK. So you're looking at a minimum of 3 months, and it can, depending on how busy the DVSA is, if they are, to be honest, overwhelmed at the moment. So it can take longer. It can take 4 months. So if anybody's interested in this particular vehicle, get in direct contact with me, and I'll be more than happy to fill in any gaps and answer any questions you might have about buying cars direct from Japan and the savings to be made. So contact me on 07989 560 505. Speak to you soon. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Jap Auto Agent. We are a UK-based personal car import agency. We provide our customers with the opportunity to buy cars direct from the Japanese auctions at the trade export price. My customers are guaranteed large savings on selected cherry-picked vehicles direct from the fountain of supply, which is the Japanese car auctions. The process is quite simple. My customers appoint me as their agent. Once you've completed the agency form and put the deposit in place, that starts the process. Your details will also be sent out to our buyers in Japan. There's not just myself searching for these cars. We've got a small team of people out in Japan looking for the vehicles that we want to supply to our customers. As you can see here, I've got 2 Suzuki Jimneys. So my customers will save a minimum of £5,000 on both of these vehicles, and I mean a minimum. You can't buy them cheaper. And if anybody wishes to know more about this process, feel free to get in contact with me by telephone or even email. We supply all the makes and models. If the car is in that auction, then I can supply it. It's as simple as that.